Spread over the Bay of Bengal like emeralds, the islands of Andaman and Nicobar, geographically isolated from the mainland India, are a spectacular example of natural beauty, drawing tourists from the world over. These islands are a melting pot of different cultures and blessed with incomparable pristine beauty. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, launched the Andaman and Nicobar Innovation and Startup Policy on 29th of December 2018. To further strengthen the startup ecosystem in these islands, operational guidelines were prepared and schemes notified. And with adequate awareness, more than 100 startups were registered, out of which 16 startups have been awarded recognition by DPIIT.
Within this remote area, we are doubling our production capacity to 20 tons to 40 tons, diversifying our culture from local market needs and the export market.
I am Lakshmi Devi, Director of ViaPlus Private Limited. Our company deals with IT services and waste management solutions.
As a company deals with the supply of manpower services, we were able to generate an employment of 100 unemployed youth of this island.
To further strengthen this venture, an amount of rupees 1 crore has been earmarked to a PSU for the establishment of state-of-the-art incubator for the startups.
As per the National Innovation and Startup Policy, higher education institutions can play a major role in promoting incubation and startup in the academic setup.
As an engineering student, I have participated in many state-level hackathons, and I feel that it is an excellent initiative to drive such ideas and to promote strong startup culture in these remote islands.
This incubation facility is really helpful for our future startups.
To encourage the startups, the UT administration, along with Startup India and West India team, organized a workshop in which more than 150 startups participated. A startup portal was also launched during the workshop. Further, to facilitate them, a 16-seater IT and ITES startup warehouse has been set up promoting early-stage startups. A Startup India hackathon was organized for 24 hours to showcase innovating ideas.
Wonderful opportunity to have a platform and to participate in hackathon.
हैकाथॉन प्रोग्राम को लाने वाले हर किसी मेंबर को थैंक यू कहना।
A virtual mentorship workshop was also conducted to mentor early stage startups on various topics. With the continuous efforts of the administration, Andaman and Nicobar Islands was adjudged the best performer in the category Y in the state startup ranking 2019. The journey has not ended. The UT administration is committed in realizing the dream of Honorable Prime Minister in transforming India into a country of job creator and making India Atmanirbhar Bharat.
हिंदुस्तान का कोई जिला, हिंदुस्तान का कोई ब्लॉक ऐसा ना हो कि आने वाले दिनों में नए स्टार्टअप शुरू न हो।